Okay, here we have our LCD display. Now this display is used to navigate through the menus. It'll display data and affect changes. I can turn this knob here, which is my value knob right here. So I can turn this knob, and as you can see here, I'm changing the preset. My first preset is the live light. Second one is reasons. We have Cubase, Sonar, and several other applications you can see right here. We have up to 30 presets. Now I can press this button in, and that will give me this preset here called Live Light. But if I want to load up reasons, I'll go to here and I'll press enter to load, and now I have reasons. And this is our LCD display. Now this here, my value knob here, is used to turn certain data. Like for example here, I can turn the dial here. It says note. I'm changing I'm going from note to program change and back and forth. I can press enter, and now here I am in note. I can use my value knob to increase the data incrementally or decrementally, up or down. So I can either go up in data or decrease the data, either way. It'll help me to get around to changing my settings, and to also help me edit my program. In this preset, we're using reasons. I'll press enter, let's say. That's it. That's the note. Press enter again, I'm right there. I go back to press preset, and I've changed the preset here for reasons. So this knob is used to change presets and to go up and down in whatever parameter I choose. Next, we have our left and right cursor buttons. Now these two buttons here allow us to maneuver through the different menus on our MPD32. For example, I'll press enter here, and I have this menu, see right here, and I could move the cursor to the left, and we have the CC control. You can change that. I move to the right, I can change the note, the MTY, or the CPR. So we can maneuver through the menus using our left and right cursor buttons. Next, I have my preset button. I can press preset, and I can access any preset that's installed on the MPD32. Turn my data wheel, as you can see here, showed you before. Click my preset. Once I select it, I push in the data wheel right here, and it's selected. Go to preset again. I can select another preset, load. I have here my edit button. Now this button calls up edit mode. In any preset I'm in, I'll press edit, and here we have note. I can edit note or program change. Enter, and I now can edit my parameters. Now here we have our global button. I can press this, and I can change all the global commands, all the MIDI commands, the volume controls, and the commands for my knobs and my faders. I can change the settings for each one of the buttons and knobs and faders and the pads on my MPD32. So this is our global MIDI reset command, or our global system preferences command setup. Now this button right here is my program change. Now pressing this button, I enter program change mode. And in this mode, I can send a program change or program with bank change messages to a hardware or software. I can tell a particular software, like reasons, to play this particular program, which might be a keyboard. Or I might tell my MPC to play this bank program, which could be a set of drums.